What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in a digital format. Blockchains are best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency systems such as Bitcoin for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transaction. The innovation with a blockchain is that it guarantees the fidelity and security of a record of data and generates trust without the need for a trusted third party. One key difference between a typical database and a blockchain is how the data is structured. A blockchain collects information together in groups, known as blocks, that hold sets of information. Blocks have certain storage capacities and, when filled, are closed and linked to the previously filled block, forming a chain of data known as the blockchain. All new information that follows that freshly added block is compiled into a newly formed block that will then be added to the chain once filled. A database usually structures its data into tables, whereas a blockchain, like its name implies, structures its data into chunks or blocks that are strung together. This data structure inherently makes it an irreversible timeline of data when implemented in a decentralized nature. When a block is filled, it is set in stone and becomes a part of this timeline. Each block in the chain is given an exact timestamp when it is added to the chain. Key takeaways. Blockchain is a type of shared database that differs from a typical database in the way that it stores information. Blockchains store data in blocks that are then linked together via cryptography. As new data comes in, it's entered into a fresh block. Once the block is filled with data, it is chained to the previous block, which makes the data chain together in chronological order. Different types of information can be stored on a blockchain, but the most common use so far has been a ledger for transactions. In Bitcoin's case, blockchain is used in a decentralized way so that no single person or group has control, rather all users collectively retain control. Decentralized blockchains are immutable, which means that the data entered is irreversible. For Bitcoin, it means the transactions are permanently recorded and viewable to anyone. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for hot, exciting news off the press. This is your keys to success.